Hello there. Welcome to this video requirement definition. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at what are the different requirements in the IoT scenarios. Then we will also take a look at our own requirement in a little bit more detail. All right. Now, whenever a company is envisioning to incorporate IoT technology in their solutions, there are four large categories. The first level is the monitoring level. Now, this is where when companies want to monitor certain aspects, certain variables, certain elements, or anything to do with that combination. The next level is to be able to control these devices remotely after you have monitored them and you want to take a decision and you want to take an action. The next level is to build applications which are optimized. Now, these are the ones which have the capability to self-analyze, to self-update, and have a higher tolerance and troubleshooting capabilities. Finally, the last level or the highest level is to build applications which are fully automated and autonomous in nature. So they can monitor, they can take decisions, they can optimize themselves, and they can run by themselves for a long time without human intervention. We are going to be building the first level of application, which is to be able to monitor elements at a remote location. All right, perfect. Now, when you take a look at the requirements, there are different types of requirements. So they could be user requirements, hardware requirements, software requirements, platform requirements, UI requirements. UI stands for user interface, and service requirements. Of course, this is a small subset, and there are a large number of functional and non-functional requirements. Now, this is just to get you started and to be able to use this information in terms of the IoT context. I'm sure many of you are already aware of this information. Now, this is the weather app we're going to build. So we have a set of sensors. We want to be able to measure values in an environment. We're going to be pushing these values to the ThingWorx platform. Then we want to be building an application where we're going to be feeding these values to. Now, when you are taking user requirements, they could have many more details, and as developers or analysts or architects or who you may be, all the fun or not so much fun lies in the details. Now, let's take a look at one of the requirements which is slightly a bit more detailed, so you can get an idea what you're going to be looking for. The user can say that they want to be able to monitor the light, temperature, and humidity in 1,000 square feet area. So you got to be keeping in mind that there are three variables, so three different types of sensors or sensors which can give you these three values. The frequency is 5 minutes, so you should pick up the values every 5 minutes from these sensors. The IoT device needs to be working on Wi-Fi, so you're going to be using a chip which is Wi-Fi compatible. The IoT device should be battery powered, so you should be able to keep your services really lightweight and calculate the battery requirement for 6 months. The environment variable should be displayed on a dashboard in a ThingWorx platform. So this is what you're going to be building. You're going to be building a dashboard. Now, the application should also be suitable for mobile and desktop. This is some amount of detail to get your creative juices started and to give you an idea of what requirements are looking in the IoT space. In the next video, we're going to be touching the ThingWorx platform. In this, we're going to be doing the data model definition for this solution.